Almost every free AI video generator you've tried has a catch. Watermarks, 30-second limits, robotic voices that sound like a GPS from 2008. I spent the last 7 days testing every so-called free option I could find, and I found a workflow that actually delivers. Full-length videos, consistent characters, original voiceover, original music, no watermark, completely free. It takes 5 steps, 1 bonus trick, and I'm going to walk you through every single one. Look, I know the title sounds like every other video, so let me be straight with you. This is not Sora. It's not a magic button that makes a Hollywood movie. It's a workflow, free tools, put together in the right order, that gives you something most people think is impossible for free. A real, publishable, long-form AI video with consistent characters. I'm going to show you the entire process, start to finish, no steps skipped. But first, let me show you what the result actually looks like. That. From free tools. $0. Let me show you how. So why are these tools free when Runway ML charges $15 a month and Synthesia wants $22? Simple. Google and Meta are subsidizing. They want you in their ecosystem. Google Flow, Google Gemini, Google AI Studio, all free Google products. Meta AI, free, because Meta wants you using their platform. The catch? None of them give you a complete workflow by themselves. You have to connect the dots, and that's exactly what this video does. Alright, step 1, the foundation of everything. You need a story, and you need it broken into specific sections that the other tools can actually use. Here's how. Open Google Gemini. I created a custom gem. It's basically a saved prompt template that generates your entire video blueprint in one shot. You just type create, and it gives you 5 different sections. Section 1, the story itself, the full narration script. Section 2, visual prompts. These are the descriptions you'll use to generate images and video clips. Section 3, character prompts. Detailed descriptions of your main characters so they look the same in every scene. Section 4, video prompts. These tell the video generator what motion and action to add. Section 5, music prompt. A description for generating your background music. The reason this matters? Most people skip this step. They try to write prompts on the fly, and their characters look different in every scene. This gem solves that. 1 output, 5 sections, everything connected. You can add your own style too. I typed cyberpunk style, and the entire story, visuals, and music shifted to match. Step 2, character consistency. This is where most free workflows fall apart. Your main character looks like a different person in every scene. Not with this method. Open Google Flow. Create a new project. Now here's the key. Go back to the Gemini output. Grab the character prompts from section 3 and paste them into Flow one by one. Select Google Banana Pro or Google Banana 2 as your model. These are the latest models, and they give you the best quality. Generate. You'll get 2 images per run. Pick the best one. Download it. Do the same for your third character if you have one. These 2 reference images are your anchor. They're what keep your character looking the same across the entire video. Keep them safe. You'll need them in the next step. Now this is the step that makes the magic happen. Step 3, and this is the one nobody's talking about. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Veo Automation. Install it. This is a free Chrome extension that automates the image-to-image process inside Google Flow. Once it's installed, go back to your Flow project and open the extension. Navigate to the image-to-image section. Now, here's the process. Take the visual prompts from section 2 of your Gemini output. Paste them into the prompt section. Then, upload your reference character images from step 2. Click Run. The extension automatically generates images based on your scene descriptions and keeps your character consistent using the reference images. It downloads them automatically, usually 2 per run. Here's what you do. Keep the best one, delete the other. Then repeat for the next scene prompt. By the end of this step, you have a folder full of consistent scene images, every single one with your character looking the same. This is where free starts looking like paid. Character consistency is the single hardest thing in AI video, and this step nails it about 80% of the time. Good enough to publish? Absolutely. Step 4. We're turning those images into actual video clips, and we're using Meta AI, also free, also unlimited, also no watermark when you do it right. Go to the Chrome Web Store again. Search for Veo Automation. Install it. Then go to meta.ai and log in. You can use an Instagram account or create a free one. Open the Veo Automation extension and select Frame to Video. Now, this is important. Don't dump all your images in at once. Upload them in small batches, 2 at a time. Same with the video prompts. Take the video prompts from section 4 of your Gemini output and paste them in, 2 at a time. Each image gets matched with its corresponding video prompt. Then click Run. The extension generates the video clips and downloads them. No watermark. If you did this manually on Meta's website, you get watermarked videos. The extension strips the watermark on download. Repeat this for every image and prompt pair. By the end of step 4, you have all your video clips ready to assemble. Step 5, the audio. And honestly, this is where I was genuinely surprised. Go to Google AI Studio. Click Playground on the left menu. Select Speech and Music. Then choose the Add Voiceover and pick the Gemini 3.1 TTS model. This is the latest and it sounds incredible. Type read aloud in a warm and story tone for children. Then paste section 1, the story, from your Gemini output. You can adjust the accent, the pace, the style. Click run, that, for free. I've used paid TTS tools that don't sound this good. Now, background music. Copy section 5, the music prompt, from your Gemini output. Go to regular Gemini, paste the prompt, and it generates an original music track. No copyright issues, no licensing, no royalties. Free, original, matching the mood of your story. Because the same AI that wrote the story also wrote the music prompt. Everything fits together. Now, assembly. This is where your video actually comes together. Open CapCut or any free video editor, but be careful here. This step requires more attention than you might think. The biggest issue you'll run into, the voiceover won't perfectly match your video clips, and it's not your fault. The accent, the speaking style, the pacing, they all affect the audio length. The Gemini voiceover might be longer or shorter than your clips for any given scene. Here's how to fix it. First, listen through the entire voiceover and find the silent gaps, the pauses between sentences, the breathing spaces. Select them, delete them. This alone tightens up the audio significantly and makes the narration feel more natural and continuous. Second, if the voiceover still runs longer than your video clips for a section, here's a trick that works surprisingly well. Find the clip that's too short, copy it, reverse the copy, place it right after the original. Now that section plays forward, then backward, which creates a smooth, natural-looking loop. For nature shots, ambient scenes, and establishing shots, you won't even notice the reverse. The viewer's attention is on the narration, not the background. Third, drag and drop your background music track underneath everything. Lower the volume to about 15%, so it doesn't overpower the voiceover, but still adds atmosphere. And here's the honest truth about this step. The more effort you put into the assembly, the better your final video will be. I'm not going to pretend this is a one-click process. Trim the gaps, adjust the timing, watch it through, fix what feels off, watch it again. The difference between a sloppy assembly and a careful one is the difference between obviously AI and wait, this is free? At the end of this step, you should have a complete, impressive video, roughly 2 minutes or longer depending on your story. Quick numbers. To get this same quality with paid tools, Runway ML for AI video generation, $15 a month minimum. 11 Labs for voiceover, $5 a month minimum. Synthesia for avatar videos, $22 a month. Artlist for music licensing, $10 a month. That's $52 a month minimum to replicate what you just built for zero. And I'll be honest, the Gemini voiceover and the original music are genuinely competitive with the paid versions. Not better, but competitive. If you want the direct links to every tool I just showed you, Gemini, Flow, both Chrome extensions, AI Studio, and the bonus tool, just comment GEM below. I'll send them straight to you. All right, bonus time. If the 5-step workflow feels like too much, there's a shortcut. One tool, one prompt, one video. And it's genuinely impressive. When you first sign up with a Google account, it gives you 110 credits. A 1-minute video costs only 23 credits. That means you can make roughly 4 full videos right away. And sometimes, not always, it gives you 10 free credits daily. Plus, if you rate the video it generates, it gives you another 10 credits. So realistically, you can produce 5 to 6 minutes of free, watermark-free, HD video across multiple runs. Full transparency, I have no sponsorship or collaboration with this tool. If you use my link, I get a small credit. That's it. No paid partnership. I'm showing you this because it works. Here's how to use it. Sign in with your Google account from the link in the description. Go to the chat section. Paste the story prompt we generated from our Gemini gem in step 1. Set the duration to 1 minute because free users can generate a maximum of 1 minute per run. Now, model selection. This is important. Choose FluxCline 9B as your first model. Then select LTX2 as your second model. LTX2 is open source, uncensored, and completely free. I'll be making a separate video about LTX2 soon. It deserves its own breakdown. Adjust the language setting and hit send. Now here's what's cool. The tool automatically divides your story into shots. It also asks you questions to customize the scenes. Answer these based on what you want in your video. One thing I learned the hard way. I didn't specify the aspect ratio in my story prompt, and the tool didn't let me choose one either. So it defaulted to 9:16 vertical. If you want a landscape video, make sure you add 16:9 aspect ratio directly into your story prompt. Don't skip this. And here's the result. Our video, ready. 55 seconds. HD quality. No watermark. Completely free. I've got 87 credits left. That's 4 more videos I can make right now. One honest limitation. I tried using a reference image in this tool, and it kept giving me errors. It might be server congestion, or the free models might not support it yet. Try it yourself. And if you get it working, let me know in the comments. I want to hear if it works for you. Alright, honest limitations, because I'm not here to sell you dreams. 1. This workflow takes time. 5 separate tools, multiple steps, assembly in CapCut. If you want a video in 5 minutes, use the bonus tool. The full workflow is for people who want quality and are willing to spend 30 to 60 minutes putting it together. 2. Character consistency works, but it's not perfect. About 80% of the time, your character looks the same. The other 20%, you'll need to regenerate or tweak your prompt. 3. The voiceover timing won't match your video clips perfectly. You will need to edit in CapCut, remove gaps, reverse clips, adjust timing. The more effort you put into assembly, the better the result. 4. Google Flow is still evolving. Some features are rough. Export options are limited. It's improving fast, but it's not fully polished yet. 5. The bonus tool doesn't support reference images yet on the free models, and the aspect ratio defaults to vertical unless you specify it in your prompt. Quick recap. 5 steps plus 1 bonus. Step 1. Generate story and prompts with Google Gemini. Step 2. Create character reference images in Google Flow. Step 3. Generate consistent scene images using Veo Automation. Step 4. Turn images into video clips with Meta Automation. Step 5. Create voiceover and music in Google AI Studio. Assemble everything in CapCut. Trim gaps, reverse clips where needed, add music. Bonus. The one tool shortcut for quick videos with 110 free credits. All free, all watermark free, all actually usable. Drop gem in the comments and I'll send you every single link. The Gemini gem, both Chrome extensions, the bonus tool sign up, everything. And if you found this useful, subscribe, because this channel is about exactly these kinds of workflows. Free tools, real results, no hype. I'll see you in the next one.